यत्र नार्यस्ति पूज्यन्ते ramante tatra devata. Might be we all have heard this shloka since ages. What is the meaning of that? Where women are honored, divinity blossoms there. So why I have brought this topic, that also today, as across our country, now this is the time of Navaratri, Batukama, different places, different region, we used to say different name. But the main common thing is we all worship goddess. Goddess obviously is the form of a woman. So there are the 9 stages, 9 avatar which every day we perform. But in reality, in practical life, if we'll come to know what every woman actually they need from the society, what kind of values we really want the society, our country has to give to the woman. So let to know about in detail by real women, obviously by your teachers. They wanted to share their feelings on this occasion. So please must watch and understand this is all about the right of a woman in our country.
I am my ball. Give me my ball.
Vicky, come here. Vicky, you should not say like that. She is your sister, right? She is also having equal part like you. Okay, so you have to love your sister. She is a wonderful gift by God. Okay, she is very precious. Actually, we have to celebrate. Okay, understand? She is as precious as a jewel. Understand, Vicky? So you have to love your sister. Give her ball. Both of you play.
Girl is always a boon, not a bane. Their body, brain gets energy through healthy diet, which includes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, healthy snacks and lean proteins. A balanced diet gives her good nutrition that needs to function properly. Good growth and development. It protects her against infection, fatigue, diseases and poor performance in her daily work. So, let us make them strong and healthy.
I'm so happy I'm blessed with 2 girls. Now it's time to give education for them. So, each one teach one is the best strategy to enhance the status of a child. Every girl has right to learn. Educating girl in present will give sweet fruits in future. Educated girl and brighten the future of our nation. So, focus on education and develop our country.
Wow, Mama, these flowers are colorful. But why are you decorating in this way?
We are celebrating Batukama as our symbol of tradition and values.
Oh.
I have learned all these things from my mother and grandmother. You should also value all these things because this is our tradition and culture. Okay, beta?
Mama.
Good.
It is parents' responsibility to instill the importance of our tradition and culture to our girl child because they are our future creators.
Coming to the next stage is teenage girls' education. Society norms, their cultures, their communities and their norms are the major hindrances of girls' child's education, especially when they attain teenage. Social stigma, discrimination of genders, the male and female is also one of the barriers in teenage girls' education. Teenage girls' education, major hindrances are their protection and safety issues. Girls' education should always emphasize on the hormonal changes when they attain during their teenage. Rightly and timely knowledge giving about their body behaviors, about the puberty what they attain during their teenage is very much important and it will be useful for them when they attain adolescence age. Rightly nourished body will always be a good thing for a girl child. Often we forget about the nutritional values needed for a teenage girl. A very well-nourished body is always needed to cope up with the stress, especially during the adolescence age. So, we have to understand and emphasize that educating a teenage girl is always educating a society. I hope you understand better why teenage education is very much important for girls.
Hi, how are you, Swati? After a long time.
Fine, Seema. Yes, after a long time. How are you?
Me too, fine. What about your goals and career? You want to become CA?
Yeah, after marriage, I just started taking care of my family and I just couldn't concentrate on my career.
But you know, you have to think about it. Think about your career. Marriage is not an end of your career. It is sweet memories and not the hurdle of your goals. You should have to achieve your goal. You have to think about it, Swati.
Yes, Seema, I need to think about it. I should plan to rebuild my career. Thanks for motivating me. It's beautiful when passion and career comes together.
I live my life on my own ways.
Being a woman, it is the dream of each and every one of us to step out and lead a life in a normal way. We should feel safe whenever we go out. Don't you think? It is the responsibility of each and everyone in the society to make sure that a woman feels very safe when she steps out for work. And yes, every woman got her own dreams and she has all the right to fulfill her dreams. Then, being the member of the society, we should be very much responsible to help her lead her normal life, and she should feel safe even during nights. So, can't we do this simple thing?
Let me help you.
No, Mama, why you came here? You take rest, Mama.
No, when I could help my own daughter, why not my daughter-in-law?
I am so happy and lucky you are all loving me, Mama. Thank you for everything, Mama.
Well, love your daughter-in-laws. They deserve love and affection. Give their family the day they dreamt of.
Hi everyone. As you all know, the motherhood is the best feeling. Before I used to always think why my mother is struggling to educate myself and everything. She actually wanted to make me self-dependent, and because in the future maybe she has realized that I will create more to creators to the world. That's why I'm blessed with the two daughters. They are the future generation of the world, I believe, and I thank every mother for bringing their child and struggling them and everything. Thank you so much.
तेलंगाना का प्रमुख त्यौहार बतकम्मा है, जहाँ पर हम लोग हमारी सभी जितनी भी देवियाँ हैं उनकी पूजा करते हैं। बतकम्मा फूलों के द्वारा मनाया जाता है और सभी जितनी भी औरतें हैं हमें क्या करना, उन सब औरतों का सम्मान करना।
ఆడపిల్లనమ్మా నేను ఆడపిల్లనమ్మా ఆడపిల్లైనందుకు అమ్మా చదువెందుకంటున్నవా అమ్మా సంధ్యందుకంటున్నవా చదువుల తల్లి సరస్వతి దేవి ఆడది కాదమ్మా ఆడపిల్లనమ్మా నేను ఆడపిల్లనమ్మా ఆడపిల్లనాని అమ్మా చదువెందుకంటున్నవా
सरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभ भञ्जनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Wow, the message which every single teacher has given, it was marvelous. So why I told this message to everyone? Only the reason is one. Let us to accept before we worship a goddess, what kind of value, high value we are giving to the woman who is at my home. What are the nourishment I am giving, our family is giving, our society is giving to the girl child. These are the 9 stages we should understand. If every family, if our society, if our country is understanding, then really not even me, every woman in our country feel to say that yes, in India we really worship Goddess. So thank you so much. Celebrate your this special festival with your wonderful ladies at your home, and let us to feel very proud that we are a woman and we born in this country. Thank you so much.